So we just changed our boiler, and we bought this Siemens wireless thermostat. And although we got a user manual with this, it explains how to set A1, A2, A3, A4, which is the time turning on and off this boiler. Also, this here we can change temperature. Temperature for that. This one is they called comfort mode, and this one is energy saving mode. But I don't really understand why they marked it as you know, a moon and the sun, but whatever. So after setting the time, you go to A1. You set when this boiler turn on, turn off, and then again turn on, turn off, and then temperature for both comfort and energy saving mode. And we were struggling to set this up for a week. Might be because I'm just, I don't know, I'm stupid or something, but we didn't understand when these temperatures actually apply. So after some time, we found out this temperature, which is the comfort mode, applies between the time A1, A2, and then again A3, A4. Then this comfort temperature applies, and then this energy saving applies between them. So what's between them? Between is A2, A3, so the time between A2, A3, and the time between A4 to go again to A1. So if you are struggling to set this up, or you don't understand, maybe you have had the same problem like we had, then this should be the thing to set this up. So right now is 11:33 in the morning, and then it shows energy saving mode because comfort mode starts in the morning, early morning, and then it switches off morning 6:30, and now the next comfort mode starts just afternoon, evening time. And so we are right now between A2 and A3 in time, and then we have set this temperature because it's not quite, it's just autumn, so we didn't want this boiler to turn on, so we turned this temperature down to 17 degrees. And yeah, because you know currently temperature is 19.5, the boiler is not on. Obviously there should be this little triangle there, and so it shows energy saving. We are between A2, A3 in time, and if let's say you know, you are still cold and you want to jump, you don't want to wait till A3. You don't want to wait to, you know, 3:30 to turn this on. Obviously it's just 12 o'clock. If you just want to jump straight there, then you have to switch on run, and you have to press this, and it switches, it jumps straight to the next comfort state, which is A3. So if I press this, we got this glow on, so I press this, it should turn on because we set comfort 21. So because it's lower than 21, let's press this. Now it's going to take some time because probably it's just going to check the water temperature in radiators, and then after 1 or 2 minutes is going to turn on the burner. But yeah, I mean now we jumped the sun, which is comfort mode, and we already started A3, even though we are before the time that we set for A3. So I hope that helps others.